Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's detailed walkthrough, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about Anytype in 2026, how it works, how to get started, and why it's one of the most powerful productivity and knowledge management tools available today. By the end of this video, you will understand how to use it effectively for personal projects, team collaboration, or even your content workflow. So what is Anytype? Anytype is decentralized, privacy-first, no-code productivity platform. Think of it as a combination of Notion-like workspace for notes, databases, and documents, task and project management, knowledge hub, offline first, and fully encrypted. It's designed to give you full ownership of your data. Unlike most cloud-based platforms, and it has grown in popularity in 2026 for creators, professionals, and teams who prioritize privacy and control. Now, what you're gonna do, you can go ahead to anytype.io and hit download at the top, right? Choose your platform, Windows, Mac, Linux, mobile, iOS or Android, and install the application. After installation, open Anytype and create a free account, right? You will get a personal workspace that's fully encrypted. So as you can see right here, it only allows Apple Silicon and Intel x64, okay, for Windows. So in my case, I don't have that version of Apple Silicon, but if you have Mac OS 14 or later, then you're gonna be able to access the Anytype, okay? Now, understand that dashboard. Once you log in, you will see the main workspace. Here's what's important. You have the sidebar, access pages, templates, recent, trash, and settings, workspace, main area where you create and edit blocks, top menu, search, notification, and account options. Everything in Anytype revolves around blocks, text, databases, images, tasks, or media. Think of it as a modular building, okay? You can start by creating a new page and name it, and select a template or start blank. Templates make it easier for beginners. Popular templates in 2026 include Task Tracker, Personal Wiki, Knowledge Hub, Journal, Habit Tracker. And then blocks are the core type of Anytype. You can add text, to-do lists, tables, Kanban boards, calendar views, files, and media. Okay. Now you can click the add plus button to add a block or any type or type. Choose or type, like a slash, right? And choose the type, text, table, gallery, etc. Customize it with colors, icons, relations, okay? To link pages together. This modular approach gives you flexible workflows. And databases in Anytype are fully relational. For example, that task database, project database, notes database, client or contact database, it's all relational, okay? You can click the plus button to add a new base, choose a view, table, Kanban, calendar, gallery, and add properties like title, status, due date, tags. Pro tip, connect databases using relations to create interconnected workflows, okay? Relations make Anytype powerful. Link your task database to your project database, okay? Connect notes to tasks, track deadlines, priorities, and resources. This creates a personalized knowledge graph, which is ideal for freelancers, teams, and creators. And you can adjust themes, page icons, page covers, default fonts, and this helps make your workspace visually consistent and branded. Okay? One of the best features in 2026 is you can work offline with full encryption. Changes sync across devices when online. Data stays private. No cloud scanning. Okay, this is perfect for remote work or digital privacy. Anytype also supports sharing pages with teammates, setting permissions for view or edit, commenting on blogs. Pro tip for team projects, create a shared database with linked pages for tasks, assets, and deadlines. Okay, integrations and export options. In 2026, Anytype supports import from Notion, Markdown, or CSV. You can export as a PDF, Markdown, or CSV. Some AI integrations for text generation and content drafting. This makes migration and productivity smooth for professionals. So the pros, full data ownership and encryption, offline first with seamless syncing, flexible relational databases, modular blocks for unlimited customization, no ads or trackers. But the downside is slight learning curve for beginners. AI integration is still limited compared to specialized tools. Mobile editing is improving, but desktop is more robust. Okay, So a quick workflow example: create a projects database, add a task as a linked pages, connect nodes and resources using relations, set due dates and tags, track progress using Kanban or calendar view. This is simple, but yeah, powerful setup for personal or team productivity. So Anytype in 2026 is more than a note-taking app. It's a modular knowledge management and productivity platform. If you value privacy, offline access, and full control, is one of the best tools for professionals, creators, and teams alike. So, this is the review for Anytype in 2026. If you like this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video you upload, share this with a friend who might get used to or benefit from that. And yeah, and you can check the reviews here if you're having a second thought. Maybe you want to make sure that this tool is actually for you. So you can see the reviews here and decide for yourself, right? From multiple platforms. You can see here one from Reddit, X, and Cream. Excuse me, not Cream. This is the username, right? And etc. So thank you for watching. Until next time, we will see you.